Hi, this is Lloyd Allen at Marriage is Saved. A lot of people are having serious issues in their marriage and they don't know how to navigate these issues and find a breakthrough. In this free workshop I have coming up, friends, I'll be teaching you the 10 fundamental components of a successful marriage so you can turn your marriage around. You see, the greatest thing in a marriage is to possess knowledge. You see, like any other skill, you need knowledge. For example, if you want to fly an aircraft, but you never did a course in aviation, you must expect a mighty crash. In the same way, if you are to have a great marriage, you need knowledge. You see, when you don't have knowledge, what do? You blunder along. Or you live by trial and error, hoping it works. Okay? But when you possess knowledge, you live your life with confidence. And the same thing is true of marriage. When you have knowledge on how to do marriage well, oh friends, you do marriage from a place of confidence. You are confident, not as a novice anymore, no, but you do marriage as an expert in relationship. Come over and join us for this free workshop, friends. Now, what are your issues in your marriage? For example, some people have been suffering in silence for years and they think they have been sentenced to a life of pain and heartache and misery and toxicity in relationship. No, friends, you can change that starting today. Just click the link below and register for my free workshop, and I'll reveal to you the great possibilities that exist for your marital relationship. You can make a difference if you make the first move. So click the link below and join us in this free workshop coming up, and I'm excited to share with you. And also I want to tell you this, that I have free PDFs that I'll be giving out. For example, I have 14 questions that I'll be giving to you free of charge, and you'll be able to discuss these questions with your partner, and you'll be able to take your conversation, okay, from a superficial surface level to a deeper level, where communicate on the feeling and the belief levels, and hence you can start to build emotional connectivity in your relationship. No more a boring, monotonous relationship, no, but you can now have a vital and triumphant marriage. So come over, and you'll also be getting my 14 questions to discuss with your spouse to improve and enhance your communication skills. Also, I have about nearly 100 questions that you'll be discussing with your spouse, and then I'll be giving you that PDF free of charge as well. Now, these questions, friends, will help you to understand your partner's expectations. One of the great problems in marriage is that people don't know what their partner's expectations are. Why? Because they never discuss them. And if you don't know what your partner's expectations are, you can't meet their expectations. And hence, they'll always be dissatisfied. They'll always be miserable, always discontented. Friends, listen now. You will be getting these questions, and you'll be able to take turns, discuss these questions so you can understand your partner better. Come over, friends, and join us in this free workshop. I tell you this may be your opportunity to turn your marriage around and make a difference. Your marriage, too, can become a success story. So this is Lloyd Allen. I'm excited to see you in the studio. Click the link below, and I'll see you soon. Talk to you.